Hi everyone, and today we will be discussing about how to edit Shopify theme. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So it is actually really simple. Head over to your sales channel on the left side of your screen as you can see in here, and then click on online store. Then you can see if you have themes. If you want to change a theme entirely, you can do that from this section as well. You're going to be simply clicking on this add theme option and visit the theme store and download any theme that looks good. It will be automatically be applied to your store. If you want to simply edit your Shopify theme, click on this customize option. You can change your colors, text, blocks, sections, everything from this area. Like for example, if I want to move this block somewhere else or I want to add anything in between, I can click on this plus icon that is appearing here. So let me show you that. If you click on this featured collection, I can even remove this from the left side. As you can see, you can click on this hide button and you can see it is gone. Let's just bring it back. Let's just say you want to change the color of your theme. You can click on this color scheme option on the right side in your announcement bar. These are all of the controls as well. So click on this change and let's just set this second theme. So you can see it is now changed. You can do the same for the first color as well. So you can change it as well. So it is quite simple to modify. If you want to add different type of sections, you can click on this add section option. Like for example, if I want to add in here an image banner, click on that. You can see an image banner is now added. I'm going to be selecting an image from my local storage. Let's just say I want to add in here something. Let me check if I have anything to add. So let's say I want to add this mouse. Click on open and you will be able to see that it is uploading. Just wait for a couple of seconds, then click on done and it will be added in the background. So that's how simply you can make it happen. You can hide these text and these sections buttons as well, and you can see it is going to be looking something like this. So this is how you can edit Shopify theme. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.